Hello everyone, I am Sachin Jha. I have done my Bachelor of Science with Math Honors. I recently got heard about Evision TechnoSurf from my brother, which had some good positive reviews about Evision. So I have decided to join Evision 45-day internship program, which has many more things to learn, like networking, CCNA, Active Directories, VPNs, firewalls, and many more things. After completing that course, I gained some IT level skills. And after gaining that skills, I have recently got placed in a good reputed company with a good enhanced salary. So I'm thanking eVision to make me able to achieve this job. So especially thanks to Sati ma'am, Priya ma'am, Prerna ma'am, Ganesh sir, uh, and whole Evision team. So thanks a lot.